from securing funding and finding a location to hiring staff and promoting the business. There are many critical steps involved in opening a barbershop and ensuring it becomes successful. In this video, we'll explore the essential factors to consider when starting a barbershop, including market research, financial planning, and marketing strategies. Every successful business starts with a plan. A business plan is the foundation of the barbershop. It is a step-by-step guide to every stage of starting, running, and growing the business. It is like a roadmap that will guide owners to success. More than that, a business plan is vital to get partners or funding. Investors want to be sure they will see a return on their investment. They want to know that there is a detailed plan on how to run and grow the business that will get them their money back. So creating a business plan is an important first step in starting a barbershop. But what goes into a business plan? The executive summary tells the reader why the business will have success. It should contain information such as the mission statement, the service or products offered, information about the leadership, the team, and the employees, growth plans, company description. When writing a business plan, you need to describe your barbershop in greater detail. Include the following information about your barbershop: the name, the location, legal description, your and your business partners' names, your competition, market research and analysis. To succeed, you need to have full awareness of the industry and current market trends. Research the barbershop industry, both at a local and national level. Answer these questions in the market research. Who is the competition? What are their strengths? What do they do that works? Why does it work? Can you do it better? Where is the industry going? What are the average revenues and margins of a barbershop? Some other essentials to include are the structure of the company, a detailed explanation of the service, marketing and sales strategies, funding requests, financial projections, an appendix to provide supporting documents. Your business plan should highlight how you are going to compete and bring in business. If you need help, check out our comprehensive guide on how to write a business plan for a barbershop linked in the description.